guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie, and today I'm very excited about this video because I am going to put outfits together inspired by Animal Crossing characters. So I've been playing a ton of New Horizons lately, as I'm sure many of you have, because what else is there better to do in this quarantine? I don't know. And I was like, all these villagers are so freaking cute. I want to look that cute. So I put together some really fun outfits that they're kind of a mix of like what they're wearing and what they look like, and just kind of like trying to combine all those colors. And so I'm just really excited about it. So I hope you guys like them. And I know that some other people have done this video too, so you should check those out because they're really fun. And I think that's it. So let's just get right into it. All right, let's get started on the first outfit. So the first outfit is for Reese. So I paired this pink shirt with these really cute flower detail on it with this red overall dress that I had. And I think the overalls really mimic her apron, which I love. And then I paired it with these blue lace-up shoes so that the little like X's on her dress, it kind of like ties in with that. And I also put these blue earrings on so that they would tie in with the shoes. And then I also had this red pin, so I put that on the overalls as like the little heart on her apron. And I'm really happy with this outfit. I think it's really cute and very Reese. And that's the first outfit. Alright, so the next look is for Tia. So I paired this really pretty white flowy dress with the same shoes that I had on before to mimic her blue accents. And then I put on these really pretty tiered blue earrings that fade into white. And I also, to tie in with the yellow, I put this really cute hair scarf in my hair for all of her yellow accents. And again, I think this one turned out really good. It's something that I could see like Tia wearing with like her whole like floral vibe, and it just makes me really happy. Alright, so the next outfit is for Stitches, a fan favorite of mine. And this is actually one of my favorite outfits because it's not something that I would normally pair together on my own. So I went with this purple t-shirt and this yellow linen dress. And then I also put together some mismatched socks and my jelly shoes. And then to tie in with the green socks, so it wasn't just the green there, I put on some green earrings, and that was the whole outfit. Also, as much as I love Stitches, I've actually never had him in any of my games except for Pocket Camp, where like I could track him down and like finally have him. But I don't know why, I could just never seem to get him, and he's so cute. So next up we have Lily. Lily is my favorite villager. I am absolutely obsessed with her. And so I paired these really dainty greenish shorts that I made with this pink light top that I thrifted and some clear sparkly jelly shoes. And I think it's very like cute and summery and happy, just like Lily. And then I also put on some pink earrings that I made to tie it all together. And I thought this outfit was just really cute, very happy, and very summery. Also, Lily is one of the characters I have in New Horizons, and I was like so happy. She was like one of the first ones that we got from a mystery island, and I was literally like ecstatic. She's my absolute favorite character. She's just so cute. I love her. The next outfit is for Bluebear. Bluebear is just so cute, and I love the yellow shirt that she was wearing. So I paired this yellow denim dress that I bought with this blue sweater, and I just like put a belt around it and like shimmied it up so it would be cropped. And then I paired these light blue heels with it and some pink earrings to tie in the pink of her blush. And I think this outfit is actually really perfect for her because of like the furriness of the bear, but like the summeriness of her whole outfit. And I thought it was very Blueberry. Bluebear, not Blueberry. She's not a bear. Also, Bluebear is like one of those villagers that will always have a special place in my heart because she was one of the first villagers I ever had in Animal Crossing City Folk, which was for the Wii, and like the first Animal Crossing game I ever had. And so she's just one of those characters that I'll always like have a special place for. I love her. And next up is Nate. Nate is actually one of the villagers I have in my New Horizons island right now. And at first I honestly didn't love him, but he's become one of my favorites so quickly. He's just like so happy and just literally so adorable. And so I paired this green knit sweater that I had with these yellow orangey corduroy overalls that I made a few years back. And I also paired these socks with these heels because I liked the beige of his hands and feet. I thought it was super cute, but we had to incorporate his very distinct green eyebrows. And then to keep the jewelry kind of neutral, I just wore some pearl earrings. And again, this isn't normally something that I would pair like with the heels and the socks, but I think it's actually super cute and was actually one of my favorites again. So for the last outfit, I have Diana. Diana is just like so cute, so girly and pastel. So I put this really cute purple frilly skirt that I made a few years back with this teal top and some pink heels to tie in the pink of her blush. And again, I think this really works for just her whole aesthetic and her whole color palette. And I thought it was really cute. Diana's actually another one of those characters that I've never had in an actual game except for Pocket Camp, but I just really love her whole aesthetic. And I also put some pearl earrings together for like that elegant touch that she has. And that was the final outfit. Alright, so those are all of the outfits that I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun putting these outfits together because they really like inspired me to put things together that I don't normally do. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think you guys should give this a try at home if you want. It's really, really fun actually. And hopefully I will see you in my future videos. Bye!